Consumer banking preferences are rapidly evolving. Meeting these demands requires banks to transform their analog business. So, the question is no longer why move to the cloud, it's how. That's where Red Hat can help. Red Hat helps consumer banks modernize with cloud technology and tooling, giving you the freedom, confidence, choice, and the ability to quickly adapt, innovate, and flourish. Partner with Red Hat to create the digital infrastructure that connects together all of your environments across all clouds and infrastructures, from the data center to the edge. An enabler that puts the customer at the center and powers your ecosystem to readily create the products and services your customers want, where they want them, with the security, features, and reliability you need baked in. Applying yesterday's logic and continuing what you've always done won't position you as a leader in the new digital world. To position for success, you need a cloud technology partner like Red Hat. Let Red Hat help you build for change and create the flexible, adaptive platform you need to meet the digital demands of today and beyond. Learn more. Contact us today.